I would like to share with you what's happening in my hydroponic garden. I have a lot of blooms in my tomato jungle over here. These are dwarf varieties of tomatoes. One is called Red Robin and the other one is Tumbler. And as you can see, the clusters of blooms are big. There is a lot of tiny flowers. And some of those flowers, as you can see, have already turned into baby tomatoes. Let me see if I can get closer so you can see better. Just look at those baby tomatoes. Aren't they cute? They're so tiny. And there's a lot of more blooms. And I have been tickling them a little like this to pollinate, because there is no wind here and you need to pollinate your tomatoes if you want to see the fruit forming. And there is more over here. I need to actually tie this tomato to the support that I put, because I'm afraid it's going to break. So that's the tumbler tomato. So let me show you the roots of these tomatoes. They are huge. There are so many roots over there. Same here. Let me pick this one up so you can see. Just look at those roots. And I also have other vegetables in this garden. So I have basil in here. And let me pick it up so you can see how the roots are going. They actually got tangled, so I can't even pull it out. But this basil is growing really nice here, and it gets too crowded, so I need to start cutting this basil. And then in the back over there I have lettuce, and we had been picking the lettuce already. You can see that on the sides leaves are missing. That's me harvesting. So it keeps just on giving and giving more and more. And now I just can't wait for the tomatoes to start ripening so I can have a full salad out of this tiny hydroponic garden. Tomatoes, lettuce, and basil. That would be awesome. And these Red Robin tomatoes are also going to bloom soon. You can see the buds already forming here, and there is more over here, and this one as well. So the tumbler tomatoes were first to bloom and set fruit, and the Red Robin is following. And these tomatoes are about 2 months old. So I started them in January. I don't remember exact date, but sometime in the first half of January. So now it's the beginning of March and they are already setting fruit. I'm wondering when this fruit will be ripening, but I will definitely film it and let you know how the progress of my indoor hydroponic tomatoes is going. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.